Hello friends, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very fine wherever you are. Today you can see I'm in a park. I'm in a park called Lousberg. It is the height of the mountain is 264 meter, and this mountain is called Lousberg, and this park is very famous for its recreation and having fun. And look at the green area. It is so green and so calm and peaceful. It has large variety of flowers, reptiles, amphibians, flora and fauna is really very good here. And it is at the mountain, so it has its own, very cool and very nice environment is here. It's very near to my home. It is the highest point in Aachen where we have to go for this park, this recreational activity. This is the church at the beginning of the area from where we entered. This park has many entry points, but from where we entered, there is a church here. And this is a very big story about this Teufel, devil, and a poor lady. It is a bronze statue. It was made by a lady sculptor, and it has a very big historical story around it. Goes it that Aachener people wanted to make a church in Aachen, and they did a deal with the devil. So, and they made a deal that first soul which will enter the church, they will give that soul to this devil. And devil was expecting a human soul, and he gave lots of gold to Aachen people in exchange of that soul. But what Aachen people did, they gave a soul of a wolf to the devil. So devil wanted to take revenge, and when he wanted to these are the pillars. I just Roman, I think Greek architecture is there. And so when the devil wanted to take the revenge, he even put his two thumbs on the Aachen church, and he wanted to bury whole Aachen into lots of sand. So he collected lots of sand and brought it. He was on his way, but he was tired. So he met a lady, and that lady said that, look, Aachen is still very far away. Look, my old clothes, look at my old shoes. They were new shoes, and they are broken because it is so far away. Aachen is still so far away. So devil was so exhausted that, oh god, it is still so far away. So he put all the sand here, and he just went away back to his place. So that is how this mountain was made, and that is how the Aachen got the place. Aachen people, that Aachener people are more cleverer than devil. So the sculpture is made to make a remark, to show the story. That is why that old lady and the devil is sitting with his head in the hand. And this is the terrace of this mountain. From this mountain, you can have a panoramic view of the whole Aachen. This is a memorial of the soldiers who died in the war. You can see the whole skyline of Aachen from here. There is a very big stadium here, football stadium, even a stadium for horse racing. So these stadiums you can easily see from here. There are lots of horse races are here, because our state is North Rhine-Westphalia is very famous for horses, horse training, horse riding. So that is why even Kangana Ranaut, our Bollywood actress, came here to learn horse riding for her film. So horses are very well cared for in Germany. All the animals, pet animals, they are very well cared for. And this state is very famous for horse riding. And this is a stadium which I was talking about, football stadium. It is a very big stadium. You can see the windmills in the background, because most of the electricity which Aachen gets is from its green energy. You can see the city area. So you can see the whole city has, there are so many in between green zones also. It is not that it's only construction buildings, only brick and cements is here. There will be many green zones in every sector. There are mainly churches here, churches and mosque, because the population is like that, Christian and Muslims. So that is how, this is an old Roman scripture. There is also a park for the kids to play around, and people do here jogging. Yeah, people in this houses in this area, apartments in this area are very expensive, because it is a very expensive area to live in. Very calm, and facilities are very good. So it is also expensive. Not so expensive also. It is not that expensive also, but it is still at a bit of higher range than suburbs. Because within the city, it is still within the city, and still you can have your countryside here. So this is the other side of the park. You can see the whole. From here you can see even Holland, Netherlands. This is a walking trail. So within the city center they have this green zone, and university is very nearby. University of Clinicum, that hospital is very nearby. So this is a very good area to live in. And nowadays, because of the corona, nothing is organized, but otherwise there is a normally a run is also organized, and there is even a literature festival is organized here. So that is the way in Germany. At all highest points, there will be a bench here, so that people can just sit and take a rest and enjoy the panoramic view. And you can see in the front there are some hanging mats. They have been put by the government, so just so that people can lie down. It's free of cost, and people just lie down in the summers. In winters they take it out, and in summers people can just lie down and enjoy the panoramic view. In front there are all the horse riding stables, horse stables, and these training sessions are held there for horse riding. But because of coronavirus, I didn't want to take the risk and lie down on those mats, so I avoided it. This is again a small statue. Yeah. So as I was saying, that European horses it's just genetic, that European horses, because they are of winter climate, so they have more fat on them, and South Asian horses are a little bit on thinner side. But also they take also very good care of their horses. They give them proper diet and proper care, and love is given to them. Exploitation is not done. So I really like that about such countries, that they are human as much as possible. Bad cases happen here and there, but in general people attitude towards animal is very nice and kind. Here there are sheep. There are many farmhouses also, right? So there are many sheep where sheep milk, sheep wool, and even sheep meat is used. So they have tried to keep it as natural as possible. They don't use much plastic in forest zones. They have been conserved as totally, natural, and this, so all the benches and everything will be made of wood. In the playground of the children, everything will be of the wood. They will not use plastic, such type of things. So in the shed also they have put up this for picnic. Yeah, you can spend your whole day here. Just because of the corona, we don't go out as much because sometimes so many people are here. I came on the day when I was not expecting many people. It is a mush park. It was someone's private property. They gave them to for building this park. You can see it is a very big area. This is the highest point of Aachen, so people also come it very proudly, and they have lots of fun here for kids, for having picnic. It's a great area to just enjoy, and to see that much greenery is also very good for the kids eye, right? So when kids see so much greenery, their eyes get good effect, and it's very healthy for the body of human. We don't get much sunlight here in Germany, only in summers. In winters mostly there is no sun, so people enjoy as much as they can in summers. So I hope you liked the park, and if you liked it, please hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, and please do write to me in the comment box what type of videos you would like to watch, how I can improve myself. I appreciate all the suggestions, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.